Well, as you can see, winter hasn't given up on us quite yet here. Still plenty of snow on the ground. Perfect day to work on the new engine that's going to be going into the Jeep. And if it seems sketcy, just stop, because it got sketchy right about here last time. Sure, that's fine. Okay. Ooh, look at that sludge in there. See? It's pretty gross. Pretty nasty. I'm gonna just show this off.
You don't have a parts cleaner, do you?
I just have ultrasonic. Look at that. That's metallic goo. I think it's metallic. It sure seems metallic. Looks like anti-seize. So who knows? This engine may not be a candidate for running. We'll see. Oh well. And then what's the next one? 15, 14. Hold on, please. 12, 11. That thermostat wasn't going to be good for anything. Look at that. That's gross. I'm glad that I checked that. That's all rotten now. Cordless shop vac has turned out to be one of my most used tools. I didn't think I would need it, and now I find myself reaching for it a couple times a week. So after a lot of battling and a lot of wooden wedges, I was able to get the head off. Thankfully my dad was here to give me a hand. This stud in particular, I think it's bent. It was an absolute nightmare getting it off. I mean, all these ones down here were pretty rough. So this is the engine that I'm going to attempt to use anyway. So I got some inspecting to do. So under here, it looks reasonably good so far. No complaints. I do need to check, make sure there's no heinous play in any of it. But the oil pickup wasn't horribly gummed up. Some of that in here may be just kind of emulsified oil sitting at the bottom where there was like a water mix. Let's see what else we got. So yeah, on the front here, we've got the timing gear set. I need to replace this support here. And I don't know if this engine's in time. I don't know. There's a lot I don't know. So I'm gonna be taking it apart to verify a whole bunch of stuff. On the piston bore, as you can see, it's got some cross hatching. It's hard to not blow it out with the light, but not a ton. It's not like it's a brand new cylinder, fresh from a rebuild. Oh, this type of snow isn't for everyone, but when you get it and it comes in real nice, it's awesome. You can see we got a lot of snow the other night up there, and when it flies down that steel roof, it sounds just like an avalanche. Yeah, I can't believe people leave the north to go somewhere warm, because this is better than any hot day to me. Look at that Jeep buried. It's not even that much snow either, but every now and then it just sticks to everything like that, and it's pretty cool. Alright, so you can see here I'm working on the engine some more. It's been a little bit since I filmed the last chunk, which will all be in this video. But I pulled the gear off here. That's the camshaft timing gear. I'm not putting like a full rebuild on this. Just, you know, while I'm in here, I'm going to take a few things off. So anyway, I'm going to take this front timing plate cover off now. I found a guy on the forums who said he would be willing to swap with me for the correct one. This one is a 3A, and what I need is a 2A style. So I'm going to do the swap with him, and hopefully I can get in touch with him again and put this thing in a box and send it out. If I have the day today to just work on the Jeep. So I haven't had a lot of time lately, and I've been itching to get back. If I'm not working on it, when the garage is a complete disaster, it feels wasteful. You know, if it's in progress, it feels productive, but if it's just sitting here as a total utter disaster, it's a lot harder to stomach. I believe that's the last bolt that's holding it on. We'll see here. There we go. All right, sweet. So there we go, it's just the gasket sticking to it. I got that off. So I'm gonna clean that up and then get on the computer, see if I can find my buddy online there who's gonna swap one with me. Another cool thing I got going here is I got the seats. I'm getting those ready to take over. I'm gonna make new covers with my grandmother, and she's really good at covering things and building stuff out of fabric. We've done some other seats before in the past, but never something as simple as this. So I'm hoping this will go pretty easy, and it should look pretty cool when we're done. So I got some new floors for the Jeep. Got them from Classic. They look nice. Guys on the phone are really cool. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the toolbox lid, not the cover, but the top of the toolbox. Take the spot welds out, and then I'll have full access to the floor pan. So yeah, the stuff that I got is floor pans and hatch handles for the front. Look at that. That's really not bad at all. Well, there's the toolbox cover. Also supports the passenger seat. Came out really well. I was able to take my time. I didn't have to really wreck it. That was pretty cool. That'll be a couple hours of my life that gets edited into this little fast-forwarded thing. That probably takes up no more than 30 seconds because I can't believe anyone would want to watch more than that of it. So I got a new attachment for the death wheel. Hopefully this will make some of the small stuff easier. And I'm just doing more prep work on the floor. Wanna help me extricate a truck
Yeah.
from the front yard?
I see that.
I thought I'd drive right through it, and I thought wrong. Got the F-350 stuck, trying to drive a little bit. So she's gonna tug me out. Almost got it. All right. Try not run over the strap. Lost appreciation for how deep that snow is. Oh, I just ran it over. Alright. Well, that's not a good pull point. Thanks for the help. Well, I tried this morning and it didn't work. And I'm dumb, so I'm gonna try it again. Let's see. Maybe. Oh, this isn't gonna work. I'm gonna get stuck again. Come on, Super Duty. Woohoo! Woo! Barely made it. I'm literally wrecking the yard.
X-ray's gotta save him.